I'm popping no 50, I'm crazy. I'm wearing designer, I'm crazy. All this money, I'm crazy. I'm popping.
What's up, YouTube? So today is a awesome day because my boy Carlos is back. It's a surprise. He hasn't told anybody yet, so I'm gonna go visit him first. Before I go visit him though, I'm gonna go pick up Eli. So let's go. There he is. There he is. Yeah. Noah. What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Oh, yes. Yes. Say hi.
Hi.
What's up, fool? Huh? Look at all these cigarettes, dog. Illegal imported cigarettes. You can't even see them. Fuck, hold on. What's up? Awa? You're getting big, man. Stop growing already. Damn, dog. Look at those gains. What's up, dog?
So stupid, I swear.
We're about to get some habit. Let's do it. Alright, bro, peace out.
See you guys. It's like because you hit his lizards and you was running away. Hi, Eddie.
Hi.
Yup. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hi.
Shout yourself out on Instagram.
I deleted it.
Fuck. Straight deleted that shit. Too many niggas beating
Damn,
him
his
up
girl
and shit.
be fucking watching that.
Yeah, for real, for real.
I'll be fucking bitches on their period, like.
Can you pay attention to the road?
Hurry the fuck up, dog. Why you driving so slow?
No, dude.
I get that drip from my wall. 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 A bad bitch love no. I'm smoking dope to our sauce. Money coming from the vault. I get the drip from my wall. 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 Bad bitch love no. I'm smoking dope to our sauce. Money coming from the vault. I get the drip from my wall. I get the drip from my wall.
Getting some gas. Yeah, we do. What the fuck is that? Shit, I gotta get home, right?
Get this cold water.
Get this cold water.
Put the cold when you broke.
What are you drinking there, boy?
805.
805 gang.
Hold up, wait.
Do out here, West Covina 626, fuck 714.
Hold up.
Fuck 714.
Wait, when you broke and you want to keep your one beer warm, you gotta put cold stuff next to it.
When you broke though.
You can only get one beer.
What's up, bro? Straight fucking raving music and shit on. Oh shit! Light show, light show, light show.
Hey, I'm from Mexico.
Okay, so I'm right here at Broncos Grill, picking up some ceviche. Let's do it. Shout out to Alexa for hooking it up with the fucking ceviche. It's awkward. Yeah! I know! Yeah! I feel like you're gonna hit someone. That shit's on fire, dog. Meteor or what? Meteor? You already know, dog.
Eddie! That's it. Hey, hit him for that fucking... There's no more? Hey, hit him for the block, bro. Hit him for that block, though. Kill that shit, bro. That's right. Athena, she's back in the vlog. Yes!
Hey, walk back in, Rox, real quick. I just put that shit. Shit! Keep going, keep going. Oh, shit! Music video! Music video! Oh, shit, nigga! Oh, shit! Shit!
That's right.
How many is that? What number is that?
I don't know, like 30, nigga.
Oh, shit!
Fuck just happened.
Holy shit! Carlos, do it again! Do it again!
I got everything.
Do it again! Do it again! Do it again! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Fuck just happened.